Hi, I'm an anonymous person who wants to talk about life. Not too important, but it must be something necessary for someone who thinks so. Yup, those who consider it important. Because that's what I want to discuss. Isn't it that sometimes things get so bad just because of an assumption? And as I said, everything can be so important if you think so. Okay, here's the point. Maybe today is so flat, sick as usual, and ton of videos that pass on your homepage discuss like getting up and going out of your comfort zone, blah blah blah, and that start to sound sick to your ears. Or today is worse like a nightmare in a broad daylight. You get beaten up and down with your life and nothing was worse than this before. Or you just realize the euphoria that has been felt all this time is fake and they don't laugh with you. What a crap life, right? I experience it. We experience it. Then who is the antagonist here? Nothing. Totally nothing. Because of what? Because this is what people say. You are the main character in your own life, not in this world. Even the antagonist is also the main character in his or her life. Because every moment you've paused, everyone who comes bring his own role as the main character. God gave all of that to you because it's you. After all, that's the job of your role. So what does this have to do with the important that I told before? The point I want to say, learn to look deeper. That you are the main role in your story. Do what you want to do. Okay, make a move, but it's okay to take a break if you're tired. Up to you, this is your life and there is a responsibility. And start considering it important. Everything comes for you, it's made for you. Only you and special for you. Everyone can just assume that their fate is similar to being accepted to college at the same place. But no one is really the same. Because one is given the task of playing the child who is funded by parents, the other is given the role of the child who lives off the scholarship fees. And the son of the scholarship child decide to carry out their role as a diligent person and finish on time. But some of them are just grateful to have received a scholarship. I hope you see the point that I want to convey, because until now I have a problem about organizing the contents inside of my head, but feel like they are destined to be taken out, but the results are messy, just like you hear. At least you know that you shouldn't keep blaming the situation all the time. You know that God has covered everything. And you also realize that you take a big role in what will happen in your life. Because you are the main character in your story, not other people. Good luck.